Marketing used to be simple. You made one campaign, pushed it everywhere, and hoped it worked. That world is gone. Today, everything is automated. Algorithms decide what people see. AI writes, tests, and optimizes, sometimes better than we do. Welcome to Decoding Oblivion, a podcast about making sense of the tools, systems, and ideas shaping the future of marketing, crypto, and adtech. We talk to founders, builders, and operators working with AI, automation, and new growth models. What's actually working, what's not, and what's coming next. I'm Eva, your host, and this is Decoding Oblivion. We started this podcast because we kept hearing the same questions from founders, marketers, and people just getting into tech. Is AI actually changing things, or is it just a hype? Do we really need all these tools? And how do we even keep up anymore? The truth is, something is changing, and most of us feel it before we can even explain it. Decoding Oblivion is here to explore these questions, to dig deeper to the shifts that we're experiencing, and to provide clarity in a landscape that often feels chaotic. For a long time, marketing was about reaching as many people as possible. Big campaigns, big messages, big budgets. But now, people do not want to be treated like part of a crowd. They want things that feel personal, relevant, timely. If something doesn't feel like it's for them, they skip it instantly. Marketing has become about the individual. It's about creating meaningful connections and delivering value tailored to each individual. What really changed the game wasn't just social media or data. It was automation and now AI. Tools can understand behaviors, intent, and context in real time. That means marketing isn't just created once anymore. It's constantly adjusting, message by message, user by user. In new tech and crypto, we see this even faster. Communities move quickly, attention shifts fast. Relevance matters much more than reach. The name Decoding Oblivion comes from this feeling that everything is getting more complex, harder to see, harder to understand. New tools, new terms, new systems, making decisions in the background. This podcast is about slowing down, decoding all of that. No hype, no pretending everything is solved, just real conversations about how people are actually using these tools. Every episode, we will focus on real use cases, real workflows, and real lessons from people building and experimenting. We'll talk about adtech, automation, AI agents, growth in the crypto space, and the tools shaping how companies are actually growing today. You'll walk away with actionable insights and a clear understanding of the evolving marketing landscape. This podcast is for founders building in tech, crypto, or AI, marketers trying to just stay relevant in an automated world, and most importantly, people that are curious, learning, and want to get into the space. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to be curious. In the next episode, we will start with something very concrete: how outreach and automation have changed, and why the old cold versus warm rules do not apply anymore. Thank you for being here. I'm Eva, and this is Decoding Oblivion.